babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thursday morning. Sarah say morning. Oops, she's sleeping. Rose say morning. And of course, babe, driving. Yes. You guys, we are taking Rose on an adventure, another adventure today.
And
Where we're going?
Italy.
Yes. We are taking Rose to Italy today, and let's see if we can squeeze Monaco in. Depends on how we manage our time today. Let's see what we'll accomplish. But yeah, my girl going to another country, 2 countries in 1 vacation. Hey. Yes, Ty. The train, my love. We won't take no tram. No train, no tram today. Next day, okay? Anyway, you guys, we're on our way to Italy, so of course we'll be taking you guys along. Sarah is enjoying her ride and sleep.
Tunnel coming.
Tunnel! We're under the tunnel. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys. And yeah, we're on our way to another country. Let's do this. Enjoy today's vlog. Comment down below and tell us what part of today's vlog is your favorite. Love you guys.
Okay, it's just a hillside.
Because they dig the road inside
So it's just a hillside with houses. Past your big head and then
Hey.
a little peanut head.
Hey.
These views are so amazing.
Hey, sweet girl.
So amazing.
Hey. Hey,
so
you.
amazing.
Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Yes, the sun hitting that pretty eyes. The sun hitting them pretty brown eyes.
Oh, okay, so you just park up, look out, do whatever, and then this is to exit. Yeah. It's so stunning.
Hey. Ooh, the truck.
So stunning.
Hey. Hey. You are so pretty.
Yeah.
You are so pretty.
Dans 50 mètres, prendre la bretelle vert à 8.
Ooh.
Continuez sur la 8 pendant
You guys, we are in Italy. We finally reached the entire crew. Tyler, slow down.
What are you having, Melissa?
I don't know yet. We just got the menu, you guys. We reached Italy and we are about to have lunch because we reached just in time for lunch hour. So we're gonna have lunch before we start walking or do a little tourism and stuff like that. So yeah, it's lunchtime. So the hat not make you more hot if you're hot?
Cools down. There's no shade.
Okay. Sit I fanning you. I'm definitely gonna buy me one of these fan, babe. Sarah and I was in the bus and it helped so much.
You wanna feel? It's strong, isn't it?
It is.
the gnocchi.
With?
Cheese.
Okay. 4 cheese?
Yeah.
And I'm having ravioli.
And because Roz and Tyler been naughty, they have nothing.
They have
No food for the naughty people.
Hi, Papa just played. You eat off your bread?
No, I don't want anymore.
Okay. You should stay right there.
And finally, Tyler food came.
Parmesan cheese?
Yeah.
Just a little.
Oh yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
There we go.
Da, 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 da.
Coming
Yes,
on.
please.
Da, 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 da.
Tyler, spin your fork. Stop. Thank you. Spin your fork in it and it will come up. Spin it. Right. No, let him.
Just the sauce.
That sauce looks perfect.
Turn it on, babe.
I want to get that bite. Reaction cam. Ooh.
Close eyes and all. Tyler, catch it. Put your mouth close, Ty. Right, that's it, my boy. Bite what you want and let the rest fall in. Bravo, Ty.
That's why you like
What about Melissa cam? It's hot enough.
the blueprint of the cheese.
Yo,
Oh, they've got they've got the blue cheese as well. So it's ricotta. And what are the other ones?
On the gorgonzola.
Okay.
A little bit.
no. Eat some more and then I'll tell you when to drink.
Sorry.
Is that good?
Eat. It's very good. You can have some.
No, I want to finish mine. If you want some, I'm sure that
Sarah cam. I've been naughty, you guys.
So Rose get no food. Naughty
Nothing.
corner.
I want you to get.
Is that good, Ty?
What did you order?
Yes, but
What did you order?
Oh, I ordered the pasta with prawns, mussels, and clam.
That's why.
Squid. Yeah. The cheese.
And finally, after being naughty, she got
Look at that
her.
She
view.
finally get her food.
She finally got her
She
food.
come out of the naughty corner.
She come off the.
I've been good now, guys. It smells amazing.
How is it? You like it? Look at Tyler. Tyler eating all of my food. He's picking up my food. Papa food good?
The squid.
You like it? Right.
Not from the squid, from the octopus.
From the octopus, sorry.
You eat a good amount already?
look
I'm not
at
wasting
the
time.
food, look
You don't
what
like
it
cold
is
food.
in
Oh, you take Papa one and you put it in your tomato sauce? Okay.
Try having the time of his life with that plate. What you want?
Chili.
Pepper?
You have it, yeah.
Yes, ask.
Just put my hand up, maybe some of
A tomato bin is yummy. So I'm gonna add the tomato.
Nobody's coming up there.
You hear what I said?
We finished eating lunch and walking along the port in San Remo. That's where we are actually, a city called San Remo. And this is where we are. And we are actually going to try and film more intro down here. Hi guys! At Gal Rose. Good body Rose.
Miss Upton for today. How far we're going over?
No, I want to film the intro right here with this background. It would look nice, no?
It will look perfect.
You guys, we're by the port and this is where we film our intro right here. So beautiful. I think we'll find a perfect spot for it here in Italy. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking. Baby's hiding from the sun. You're finding shadow. Look at Tyler and Rose. You eat too much, that's why you're falling asleep. Sarah, you ready, girl? You ready, girl? You ready? You ready? You won't fall. Watch him in Auntie Rose glasses. Okay, go. Princess chilling. Chill, miss. The chill girl.
Let me go and get Tyler
And babe. Here.
hold on. Stay in the line. Stay.
City that we are, San Remo. There we go. Yeah, that's the name of the city that we are in. San Remo. S-A-N-R-E-M-O. S-A-N-R-E-M-O. S-A
Remo.
We are gonna get ice cream at Rome. Gelato stop. And they sell slushy, frappe, cono. Oh, they look like a nice shop. You want slushy?
Yeah.
You don't want just the ice cream?
No.
You don't want the ice cream? You want slushy? He said he doesn't want the ice cream, he wants slushy. I want cono. Who?
Ice cream.
Me loves pistachio ice cream. But Tyler said no want ice cream, he wants slushy.
I probably want to get.
street that we're walking in is so nice. All the pastries at the window. Babe looking at pastries over there. Really nice pastries. And you have clothes store, but most of these shops are very expensive. Kiddie shop, expensive. Expensive. Can I have some? And we're eating
You don't need to ice.
smoothie.
You don't need to ice cream. Just pick it up. You don't need somebody.
Okay, I'll just pick it up and eat some, okay? Sorry, sleeping. Expensive? What's cost like? Push princess. Push princess. She's sleeping. Check on her. You're running all over my foot, babe. That's how wicked, man. Baby!
What happened?
Look at me. You know, I'll push the stroller over my foot. You wicked husband. At least me I see summer tops outside. At least I'm seeing summer tops. Can I have some time? You almost finished it? You're a
don't
champion.
need to ask me.
Oh, okay. Tyler, you're a champion eater. You guys are fine goat. You never believe I find goat. They cut up goat for me. Here. Look at that. Yes. Man.
solito c'è quasi sempre, tu le giorni.
How often?
They have tripe.
That's what I'm
Baby
telling
tripe.
you.
But I have tripe in my fridge.
Yeah.
Bœuf. Ciao, grazie, buonasera.
Merci.
Bye.
Look. You guys, look at
guys.
this. Oh my
We got the
god.
goat. Let me smell it.
Smell it.
Yeah.
It's Remy.
Thank you. Bye.
So excited.
It's proper Remy. Oh, limoncello. Oh, it's so good.
Some for you.
Thank you, baby.
Oh my God.
The famous Italian.
Limoncello.
Famous Italian.
Oh, it's alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you keep this?
Who's that?
Want more?
No, keep it. I'm so excited. You know,
It really,
said
even
when
in
you go home
London,
and
I
cook
told you
this?
in London I don't even get that.
when I go home and cook this, you know that I live here every month. I'll drive the one off for it.
It's worth it.
Thank you, honey, for searching for that.
Oh, sun-dried,
Dried
okay.
tomato.
Sun-dried, they're good in your salad.
I want that.
Really? They're really good in like sandwiches as well. On ciabatta.
Well, at least Italy better than meat when it comes to food.
Yeah. But you know the Italians, they love their flavors. And they have so much cheese with goat in it, so they have to have goats.
Cheese, look at this cheese.
One day you were asking me
Look
like
how big is it?
like Parmesan.
Big Parmesan.
Wow. No, thank you. Come, Tyler. Come, baby, more cheese. Cheese shop. So we're actually in an Italian market where they sell just about everything, and this is where we find goats. So cool. All different kind of pasta. Look at these pastas. Look how pretty they are. You want to bite, babe? Go ahead. I'll taste it. Look at all these pastas. Put that back. Put it back, baby. How much
much for it? How much for this pasta? This one him take up just now. Look at the top. No price? If you're gonna buy the lemon thing, just buy it. You like that one?
Yeah.
Give it to Papa. Cause him say want it. It look different. Pasta, but it look different so then we eat it.
Which one should I get?
This one you want, Ty?
Yeah.
Him say want that one in your hand. But it's similar to this one. So if you're gonna take one, don't take the same one. How about this pretty one over here? Look. Look, Ty. The one with the colors. Even this one's nice. Let's try
Which
it.
one? This?
Yeah, you choose.
You're painting. You can buy like a sign.
Maybe from that is
Ooh, you like that?
I want rainbow.
Crystal?
Give it to Papa. Babe buying wine, special Italian wine. There's tomato puree everywhere. I think they call it passata or something. And you already have fresh ones. Have you got red onion in your fridge now? Hmm? You have red onion in your fridge? Or you buy it at the supermarket? I buy it at the supermarket. I'm buying a piece of melon. So oh my God! Ooh. Well, we've come at the right time. I know. Oh no, thanks. So that means every Saturday up here they have this. Always music in the street. Dancing in the street. Alright, come on. We too extra. Bam, Alright, it's time to go home. I am more than satisfied. I got my goat that I didn't expect to get. So you guys know that curry goat turn up now. I can come and get goat every once a month. I'll be now coming here to get my goat. But like babe said, let's cook this first and see how it tastes. You guys, this is the mutton I found in Italy. And I just washed it, goat, and I'm going to season it right now.